Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into to talk about something that's a little, well, audit but still important in the world of AI. Yep, you guessed it, ChatGPT 3.5. Now, you might be wondering why are we talking about a version that already be upgraded? Well, let me tell you, 3.5 is like the cool older sibling who paved the way for 4.0 to flex its muscles. So think of this video as a little throwback to when the AI was still figuring out on how to not give you weird answers about pizza toppings on Mars. In today's video, we will take a deep dive into ChatGPT 3.5 and look at how it works. And of course, have some fun along the way. Spoiler alert, still thinks 2 plus 2 can be 5 sometimes, okay? Make sure to hit that like button if you're ready for a bit of AI nostalgia. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss the wild ride ahead. Alright, let's jump into the world of ChatGPT 3.5, and yes, it's still smarter than your smartphone. So now let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. In today's ChatGPT 3.5 video, I am telling you about the first draft. If you don't know what is first draft, so in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it, so let's get started. Using the ChatGPT 3.5 to write a first draft. As ChatGPT 3.5 create a response to input. It is like having a writer available to help. Now, we are writing a text paper or an article can be very difficult, and you can use ChatGPT to get started. ChatGPT can help you to make a first draft for you to start. It will not be perfect, but it can be save your time. Understand your topic. Before use the generative AI to help you, you should understand what you are writing about. Okay, you first of all understand it, or you write on your paper which about what prompt I write on my ChatGPT. So you will first of all write on your page. Okay, first what you are writing about, you will be understand about it. If, for example, your topic is the importance of team sports for youth development, you should know a little bit about the topic. Okay, you should know little bit very about the topic. If you know a little bit about this yourself, that is great, but it will be best if you also did a little bit of research, and for additional information you can also ask the ChatGPT. So I am giving the prompt to the ChatGPT. Write a short 3-paragraph summary about the importance of team sports for your youth development. So I am writing this prompt. Which prompt you are writing, it is your own choice. Okay, I am writing this prompt. Copy this prompt, and I am closing my hair, and then I open my ChatGPT. Okay. Now I have already told you that how to log in the ChatGPT and how to do all the things. I have already told you that. So now I write my prompt. To write a prompt, you only and paste the prompt here. Then press the enter or press this arrow key. Okay, I am pressing the enter. So now it now start to give me the output. Now let me minimize it and let me come here. So in the diagram, it is giving me the output like this. Team sport play a critical role in the holistic development of youth, providing the numerous benefits that extend brilliant physical fitness. Furtherly, participating in the team sport foster social skills and enhance the communication abilities. Like this type of one diagram, in the diagram it is showing me this type of output. In the diagram it give me, but let me see in my which type of output it give me. It give me team sport play a critical role holistic development of young people, fostering physical information and social growth. Physically, it is the very same like this. Okay, it is not a different, it is very same as in this diagram as showing me. Okay, but little bit difference. Okay, the little bit difference in it. Okay, little bit only. Okay, so further then let's come on it our next example. Now that we understand the subject well, we create a table of contents. Here you can see it, your time has been saved, and the ChatGPT give you the all the paragraph of it, and your time has been also be saved. Okay, then copy it, then you will be paste anywhere you want. So like that, the ChatGPT is easy for the peoples. Okay, refine and experiment. Before we ask ChatGPT for further help, let's break down the subject into the smaller pieces. First, we need to figure out that we are writing. It could be a book, an essay, a blog, an article, or something else. In this example, we will create an article. Okay, which type of article? Let me tell you. Now we break down the key things we want to focus on with a table of our contents. First, introduction. In the introduction, we include information about the team sports and the purpose of the article. Number two, social benefits. Number two, social benefit. In the social benefit of team sport, what I do, I am focusing on how teamwork can help build communication skills and the importance of building relationships. Number three, physical benefits of team sports. And in it, you focus on the difference between an inactive and active lifestyle and key differences between team sports and solitary workouts. Number four, negatives of team sports, highlighting possible pitfalls of team sports, specifically the danger of alienating and isolating individuals. Number five, conclusion, summary of the above points. Now we have a clear focus and can start asking ChatGPT for the help. Now we have a one clear focus. Okay, using a ChatGPT 3.5 to write the first draft. Now we can use ChatGPT to write the first draft for each part. In our example, we will use the text for an article about the importance of team sports for youth development. Write a section about XYZ at a starting point. Part 1, the introduction. Now, in the part 1, I am writing a prompt for an article about the importance of team sports or youth development. Write a section about introduction, including information and about team sports and purpose of article. So, first of all, I am asking the ChatGPT this type of part 1. So, let me copy it and let me create a new chat, and then I am pasting this. So, now it started to give me the introduction of it. Here you can see it. Now it is giving me the introduction. So now it has been giving me the introduction. Now in the diagram it is looking like this, and it is very same like here. Okay, no, there is a difference. This is different, and also this is also be different. Part 2. Now our part 2 is social benefits of our team sports. Now I am writing a prompt for an article about the importance of team sports for youth development. Write a section about social benefits of team sports, focusing on how teamwork can help build communication skills and the importance of building relationships. So this type of number 2 part 2 I am writing to the ChatGPT. So let's see which type of output will give me. Now it is giving me the social benefits of the team sports. Here you can see it. Now it is giving me very fast. It just give me. Here you can see it. Now our time is very saving. Okay. And now it is giving me the social benefits of team sports. Now minimize it. Now it is very now let me see here. No, this is different, and this is also be different. Number part 3, physical benefits of our team sports. For an article about the importance of team sports for youth development, write a section about physical benefits of team sports, focusing on the difference between an inactive and active lifestyle and key differences between team sports and solitary workouts. So this type of one article I am giving to my ChatGPT. So let me see which type of output it will give me. So now let me start, and now it is giving me the physical benefits of the team sports. Here you can see it. Very fast it is giving me. Okay, here you can see in the 1 to 2 seconds it will give you. Here you can see into 1 to 5 seconds it will be give me. Here you can see it like that. Or now let me refresh it, and now the response will become like this. Number 4, negatives of the team sports. Now I am writing number 4 part 4 prompt. I am writing for an article about the importance of team sports for youth development. Write a section about negatives of team sports, highlighting possible pitfalls of team sports, specifically the danger of the alienating and isolating individuals. This one here you can see it. This is one example from the ChatGPT 4. Now, but let me copy it and let me paste this in my ChatGPT 3.5 prompt. So now it is giving me the negatives of the team sports. Here you can see it, and it is giving me very fast. It is giving me the negatives of the team sport. So let me refresh it now again. Regenerate now. Okay, now let's come on it down. Now number 5, I want a conclusion from the ChatGPT. Now for the conclusion, I write a prompt for an article about the importation of team sports for youth development. Write a section about conclusion summary of the above points. So this type of thing I am writing to the ChatGPT. So let me see it, which type of output will give me. So give me conclusion. Team sport play a vital role in the forest in the youth development. So it give me the conclusion. Here you can see it. Now our output will become like this. It is same. No, it is different. Okay, it is different. This is different, and this is also be different. Now you have a good starting point. A first draft you can use to start a writing further. Adding examples and sources for these claims will be the next natural step. But you can use ChatGPT as a tool to help you get started. So here you can see it in today's video of ChatGPT. I told you about how to create in the ChatGPT 3.5. I told you about the first draft. So that was our little journey with ChatGPT 3.5. Yes, it's the older version, but it's still pretty smart in its ways. If you found this video fun, make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and join us on our journey field with fresh ideas and coding adventure. Next video is going to be on an even more interesting topic. So stay tuned. See you in the next video when we will cover the secrets of new AI. So for today, goodbye.